Today, I'm going to talk about an issue that not only concerns me, but also society and the world. However, I'm going farther. I don't want to talk about possible solutions that, being realistic, are quite difficult to solve. Today, I want to talk about our planet Earth in the year 2050. All those problems humankind doesn't want to see or experience can now be prevented. So, can we find solutions to prevent all those problems happening later on? First of all, technology has advanced at an incredible pace in the recent years. However, hidden behind all those advantages, there is the negative side that it's little by little getting bigger and bigger. Technology will control society more than it does nowadays, more than it is doing nowadays. For example, social networking. There will be a huge database which will have the information about every single human being in the world. Human motivation and desire would decrease as machines would take over human functions, for example, housekeeping or factory work. So the futuristic Thomas Fried pronounced these words: by 2030, 2 billion jobs would disappear. These words seem so shocking that they really make me think and reflect about such technology. So it is obvious that technology has many advantages, no? But we have to make the most of it and use it wisely. We have to try and learn about it. Mm, there are many fields such as education, health, medicine, which can have enormous progress due to this and thanks to technology. Peter Diamandis said that the same thing. Many new technologies are already helping to mitigate challenges related to health, education, and food. Another world issue I really find concerning is that of the developed and undeveloped countries. The power of those who have money is getting stronger. Richer are getting richer and poorer are getting poorer. And not only between countries, there's a gap also within countries that it's also increasing now. Rebellions, wars and catastrophes are taking place and are leading to injustice and inequality in the world. So, undeveloped countries must have support, more support. We have to provide them with basic needs such as food, education, and even water. Then we will find a more equal world and we will find that many problems would end. Thankfully, a number of charities are nowadays taking this in consideration, trying to put an end to all these problems. In terms of another world problem is that of the environment, no? If our world now is so polluted, I don't really want to imagine how would it be in 30 years. So climate change is affecting us more than we know. The North and the South Pole are melting at an incredible rate due to the greenhouse effect of the high temperatures and the pollution of the atmosphere. The percentage of endangered animals is highly increasing. Oceans and aquatic animals are now in more danger than ever. So we have to put effective measures to this. If we don't want, for example, plastic bags, eliminate them. If you don't want plastic wrappings, make them of recyclable paper. And if you want a cleaner world, just put effective measures to it. I really wonder if we will know nature, if we will have nature as I know it now, or if even if humankind will still exist, because we're hurting ourselves. Planet Earth could perfectly continue without us. So, taking everything into account, we have to pinpoint all these issues and try to put an end to it and start taking in consideration all the issues we have put a blind eye to. So thank you very much for listening.